Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify liens with title search through ATTOM Data. Complete guide step by step clearly. To verify liens with title search through ATTOM Data, begin by accessing the ATTOM Data website. Navigate to the search section of the site. Enter the property address you want to investigate in the designated search bar. Select the appropriate search type from the options provided. After entering the address, click the search icon to initiate the query. Wait for the search results to load on the screen. Once the results appear, locate the section that provides legal documents associated with the property. Click on the option for lien records or property documents. Review the list of liens that appear for the property. Identify the specific liens you wish to verify. For more details, click on each lien to access complete information. Take note of the lien details, such as the type of lien and the parties involved. Check the date of each lien to understand its relevance and priority. If necessary, download any documents for your records. Compare the lien information with other public records, if required. If you have questions or need further assistance, consult with a real estate professional. After verifying the liens, you can make informed decisions regarding the property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.